This is a molecular model of benzyl alcohol. Some people have a concern about it. Why? Because of a paper that recently appeared in a respected journal from the UK, where researchers looked at the air that is inhaled while we're taking a shower and discovered that that air contained benzyl alcohol. Well, the reason that that has raised issues with some people is because benzyl sounds like benzene. And of course, recently we've heard a lot about benzene as a contaminant in consumer products, and that is a legitimate issue. But benzyl alcohol is not benzene. Yes, the compound does incorporate a benzene ring into its structure, but that doesn't make it into benzene. Its properties are very different. Now, why would we find benzyl alcohol in the air in a shower? Because it is used in a number of personal care products, like in shampoos, conditioners, and antiperspirants, for several reasons. One, it lends a scent to the product, and the other is it acts as a preservative. And these days, when there is some concern about parabens, because these are reported to be endocrine disruptors, although there's controversy about that, they are being replaced by other preservatives such as benzyl alcohol. And as far as safety goes, benzyl alcohol has been widely studied and it is safe. In fact, it is even allowed as a food additive because it has a particular fruity-like taste and aroma. And of course, marketers like that because then if they use benzyl alcohol as a preservative in their cosmetics, they can hype it as being natural because indeed benzyl alcohol does occur in some fruits. However, I should point out that the benzyl alcohol that is used in commerce does not come from fruits. It is made synthetically in the laboratory from toluene, which is a petrochemical. Not that that has anything to do with it, because we don't judge the safety or efficacy of a chemical by its ancestry. We judge it by studies that have been carried out, and benzyl alcohol is safe as can be. So I wouldn't worry about that. If you want something to worry about in your shower, well, give a thought to the shower curtain. If it is made of polyvinyl chloride, that can release a number of chemicals into the air. That's the classic new plastic smell that you sense when you just open up the package. And that scent, in large part, is due to compounds called phthalates, and these are used as plasticizers. They make the plastic soft and pliable, but they can also outgas. And phthalates are legitimate endocrine disruptors. Now, the amount that you are exposed to in a shower, I don't think is highly significant, but it can be avoided because there are shower curtains made of alternate materials. PEVA would be one, polyethylene vinyl acetate, and that would not have phthalates in it. You can also get shower curtains made of hemp, shower curtains made of nylon, and even cotton, although that isn't very good when it comes to water. So there are alternatives to PVC. Then there is one other issue in the shower, and that is chloroform and other such chlorinated compounds, which are a byproduct of water chlorination. And we want to chlorinate that water because we want it to be safe. We don't want to be exposed to bacteria. So there's a little cost to pay there as well. But again, I don't think that the amount that we're exposed to for a few minutes in a shower is highly significant. So what's the biggest risk in the shower? The biggest risk, believe it or not, is falling in the shower. So be careful with that. And there's another kind of risk by not taking a shower, and that is to all the people around you. So now you know a little bit more about showers, maybe than you ever cared to know. And that for today is our Cup of Joe.